What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, huge good news for all the Samsung users. As I told you in my this video that which Samsung device will receive when One UI 8 official update. In this video I also said that Samsung Galaxy S25 series will receive One UI 8 official update before September 8. And guys, today is September 15 and guess what? Samsung has rolled out One UI 8 official update for Samsung Galaxy S25 users in Korea. Beta users of Samsung S25 series in Korea has started receiving One UI 8 official update. You can see the update size is around 555 MB and you can see the build number, okay, and you can see it's One UI 8 official update. If you are a Samsung users, you may know that Korea always receive the first beta and official update. So I think in 1 or 2 days, US and India and other countries like Germany, Poland will also receive One UI 8 official update in Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Just go to settings and check for updates. May you will be receiving your One UI 8 official update today or tomorrow, who knows, right? And guys, for S24 series, in this video, I said that S24 series will receive One UI 8 official update before September 25. Let's see it will become right or not, okay? And S23 series will receive before October 2. And guys, if you have other Samsung phones and you are waiting, when will your Samsung phone will receive One UI 8 official update? Then watch this video, guys. I will give this video link in description. Go and watch this video. In this video, I have told like when will which device will receive One UI 8 official update, okay? And guys, if you have Samsung phones, please subscribe to this channel and support, guys. I always upload genuine news, genuine videos for Samsung users. Thank you very much for watching, guys. And are you excited for One UI 8 official update? Please let me know in the comment. Bye, take care.